those players are. We are confident penalty ebeto na okujina ho. Obviously, Obi Piabo not out to net and while dispatching it beautifully, even though goalkeeper Mohamed Kamara the idea he went for that direction, but the power behind the ball and a drifting off goalkeeper Mohamed Kamara. Karela United goal asantekotoko esheti omo ometimiati omoka. Goalkeeper Daniel Faju also born with Karela United. Wato the border da sukra asantekotoko. Saka Dauda. Lord Hilaria Dabu. Patrick Kasiedu. Lord Hilaria Dabu. Adabu Piasu da Fanifa. Oleman Lord Amua. Lord Amua. What are the Boneko? With Dimika. Across the bonnet. Asante Kotoko. What a shot goal! Kumase. Ayede. Asante Kotoko. Ashemienu. Karela United at Atimubako. That was another beautiful strike from that talisman Hubert Jau. The 80-yard box the Chihuahua pair, which a Lord Amoa running into the 80-yard box. Or cut back no, born by the tree, and Hubert Jau unmarked just released a thunderous strike. And they are resulting in the second goal. That is his quality, his trademark, and I'm not surprised. Say Enyumre, Hubert Jau, Emma Asantekotoko fans, and what they really came to the Barbara Sports Stadium for. Crazy strikes, and of course, what they are leading, Emma Asantekotoko. Hubert Jau no Siakai, Edema, Brokum Chelsea, Sima Adjonu, Mian Santa Mwashe goes Mienu. Ediama Asante Kotoko. Adi Bonakode Abdullah Zakaria. Adi from Winsam. Karela United. One beti me ati omukano. Tani omoye di kana na. Anasa Philip Atom. We got board only for Bosho, goalkeeper Mohamed Kamara. Was on passing there and we play on the toe. Corner Karela United Bobo Kuni. Maxwell Hansen say a foul young Fantuana Emuntia Karela United. Asante Kotoko between your brother Peter Midwakwa. Peter was short and so born into Yanko and say Peter Midway can be a mother so crabon waiting at boxing him. Go Asante Kotoko Shego Tosomiansa. Asante Kotoko. Woma Shego Tosomiansa. Ediatia Karela United. That was a sweet finish for Asante Kotoko. Morifin Donzo, Jumani bra. Peter Midwakwa first ball, me anchor at the back of the net to make sure say, Obe Mopi have that strategy, Obe pick a ball around in front of the goalkeeper. Outside the ball, find Peter Midwakwa, who sent in a sweet cross. And of course, Seth Kwadwo, me in the champion ball not to Atenemoa. When you're the first goal, Edema Kumasi Asante Kotoko at the Barbara Sports Stadium. Kotoko 3, Karela United 1. At the results, that's a matches in the Mika say. Asante Kotoko clever and pass the free. And then of course Harry Ainsu. I'm making sure say Asante Kotoko backline ho. It be quite difficult. Ediama Karela United in that midfield of Hubert Jau and then that of Abranton. They said Kwadwo and so making sure say making a midfield no quite tight with Lord Hilary Adabo say Gina in Fifi Ediamomo. Then of course the attacking trio of Saka Dauda, Peter Midwakwa and Morifin Donzo and making sure say Omobetime Putibono at the back of the net. Then Hubert Jau Etribono Modia when you have 2 goals at Asante Kotoko. These are classic goals at Shadi Baba Sports Stadium. But don't take anything away from Karela United. I think that they earned a penalty after say goalkeeper Mohamed Kamara, even though protesters say Enyadian inside to me can't do. But then of course referee whistle for a penalty. Bless again under no pressure with Miss Lotte Bono at the back of the net for his 4th goal of the season and his 4th penalty kick so far in 2025-26. It ends in the first half. Kotoko lead by 3 goals to 1. 45 minutes. Karela United at Asante Kotoko. Goalkeeper Mohamed Kamara, your ball shot to Kubaye. Abdurrahman Yaya. Rono and Ashegua Tassinianu. Ediama Karela United. Felix Motum ball shot. Goalkeeper Mohamed Kamara and Tinyansum. Was a very beautiful save, but then of course Karela United had that advantage. Ebra born into better which me to at them 4-2 at this moment at the Baba Sports Stadium. It looks certain that we are going to have a trailer to the end of the game. Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Asante Kotoko Asanai Ama Karela United. Womati Mumium. Hurry Samuel Kennedy. Lord Amoa. Bona Trash referee a throw in the Anton Frontier. Was the Anton Frontier?